In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a QR code or Wisetag on your Wise account. If you're looking to make your online transactions more straightforward and efficient, setting up a Wisetag or QR code is a great step forward. Let's dive into this process and make your Wise experience even smoother. First, I want you to go ahead and open your Wise app or log into your Wise account on your computer. Make sure you've got your device ready and you're securely logged into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you should see either your profile picture or your initials displayed, depending on how you've set up your account. Go ahead and click on that icon. This simple action is your gateway to accessing numerous personal settings and preferences within your Wise account. You'll find that Wise has made it intuitive and easy to navigate. So even if you're not super tech-savvy, rest assured that you'll find the experience user-friendly. Now that you've clicked on your profile picture or initials, you should see a drop-down menu or a new page pop up showing various options related to your account settings. Look closely within this area and you should find your Wisetag. This is generally displayed in a format that looks something like @yourtag123. Your Wisetag acts like a unique identifier for your account, simplifying the process of sending and receiving money. The great thing about using a Wisetag or a QR code is that it minimizes the chances of entering the wrong information when you're making transactions. It's handy for both personal and business transactions, ensuring accuracy and efficiency every time. If you don't see your Wisetag or can't seem to locate it, double-check to ensure that your app or browser is up to date. Sometimes, simply refreshing your browser or updating the app can resolve any display issues. If you're planning to use QR codes, it's important to remember that most mobile devices these days can scan QR codes directly from the camera app. So, if someone sends you a QR code for payment, you just need to open your camera, point it at the code, and your device will automatically recognize it and prompt you towards the necessary action in your Wise account. To wrap up, getting your Wisetag ready and enabling a QR code option can significantly streamline your processes within Wise, making things quicker and reducing errors. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital transactions. Keep your account information secure and enjoy the ease of managing your finances with these simple steps.